How to find ShopeePay account number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can find your ShopeePay account number. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your ShopeePay account either from the ShopeePay application or through the ShopeePay website through ShopeePay.com on any browser. Once you're logged in now, you have to tap on Me tab at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the Me icon, now look for the ShopeePay section in the menu and tap on it to access your ShopeePay wallet. After that, your account number should be displayed within the ShopeePay page, often under your name or the profile section. If you don't see it right away, you may need to navigate to the account info or profile section within the ShopeePay settings. Keep your account number secure and avoid sharing it with others unless absolutely necessary. So that's how you can find ShopeePay account number, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.